What kind of physics is required to understand space science? Is it orbital mechanics, classical physics, relativistic physics? Well, in order to know more about this, we have a special podcast which is happening on the 20th of April, as usual, starting 8 p.m. Indian Standard Time on this channel, Physics for Students. And to talk on this particular subject, we have got a special guest speaker. Her name is Sumana Mukherjee. Sumana has got more than 12 years of experience as an aerospace engineer, and she has worked with numerous national and international projects. As you can see, she has been working with more than a decade long in various space projects, and she is basically designed a radiation shield of lunar habitat and autonomous navigation for a lunar rover in collaboration with ESA, the famous European Space Agency. Now, as you can see on the screen, she started her career with a mission and a project with European Space Agency, and she speaks a lot about the technical aspects. She is very thorough. She explains a lot of complex concepts very easily. When I met her, I found that she is the best speaker to talk about space science. Well, really not all about space science. It is space career, how to go ahead, what kind of physics you need to know, and what are the project research options. A lot she can talk. I would like to highlight few of her achievements. This is the picture which shows her first ever paper presentation at Beijing on satellite propulsion system. This picture shows her summer internship on satellite attitude control system at Tartu Observatory, Estonia around 2016, and this is at the European Astronaut Center, and she was collaborating with a mock-up module of this Columbus module, which is meant for the none other than the famous International Space Station. For the last 3 years, Sumana is also working with various startup companies on space-related projects, and she is widely circulating her knowledge to let us know more about space and space science. The physics part would be there, the career aspects would be there, and you can learn a lot from her regarding making career. Be there at on the 20th of April, starting 8 p.m. on this channel, Physics for Students. With Sumana, we will have a very good, enriching, and a good podcast where we can learn a lot of things. And I can tell you, this is a very new podcast and a very new thing which has never happened on my channel. So see you on the 20th of April starting 8 p.m. on this channel.